So I would use all the tags on this website that have 1 million and up average monthly searches. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how you can actually start affiliate marketing in 2018. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing an insane amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. So yeah, guys, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're first starting out, okay, with affiliate marketing is you want to pick your target audience, all right? And you want to figure out where exactly your audience is going to be. For example, are they going to be on YouTube? Are they going to be on Google? Are they going to be on Facebook? And if so, what specific places are they going to be? And how are you going to be able to find them? So for example, if you're in the weight loss industry, then you might find your audience in weight loss Facebook groups, weight loss forums, weight loss blogs, right? And so you'll want to make sure you target those specific people in that specific area, and you want to be everywhere where the customers are, okay? And your goal as an affiliate marketer is to acquire them as potential customers. Now, you don't necessarily have to target them right away for the sale, but you're going to want to somehow get them in your funnel, such as an email list, such as an ad, for example, Facebook retargeting. You'll want to be able to build your list up and get that data so then you can potentially earn them as a customer with the product that you're promoting. And for my example today, I did cryptocurrency. Now, one tool I recommend for actually, finding the right audience to go to is I use Google Trends, okay? And this is it right here, and you can see that I compared a few different niches compared to one another, and you can see that obviously cryptocurrency is a very hot topic and a very hot niche to jump into. And so I would go for the audience that is known to have the most people searching for that term, right? Because you're going to be way more likely to actually get that person to convert if you're selling to an audience that is most likely to search for that product, right? Because it's already going to be in your advantage to actually get your product in front of a customer that, one, has a high search result, or it's a trending topic, right? So for example, Bitcoin, Shopify, those spectrums in the make money online space are very hot. So those are the kind of people that you're going to want to sell to, right? So again, I would use this tool, Google Trends, to actually find your target audience. This gives you the best information on who you can sell to. Now, you can also use Google Keyword Planner. That's another one where you can actually find certain search terms that people are actually. An example of that later on in this video. So my example obviously was cryptocurrency because it's a trending niche. And so the next step you're going to want to do is pick an affiliate product. Now, you can choose from ClickBank, you can choose from JVZoo, you can choose from Max Bounty, etc. Again, one example you can do is the Bitcoin software, and I'm going to show you guys that here. So I had to read a little contract. I guess they changed the policies on their website. But once you get to your ClickBank account, you'll want to obviously go to the business investing. And I'm going to show you guys the hottest products on here. So we're going to sort it by gravity. And you're going to see the highest selling product on the whole ClickBank marketplace is cryptocurrency. And you can see the reason why. It's because with Google Trends, that's what most people are searching for. So again, if you have a product that is fulfilling that person's desires, then you're much more likely to actually sell your affiliate product to that specific audience, right? So, you can get your affiliate link here, and it has a gravity score of 3653, and that's a pretty good score. That means that product is selling very well in the make money online niche. And so after you guys pick your affiliate product, like I showed you, if we chose one from ClickBank, the next thing you'll want to do is promote your affiliate product online. Now, these are the top 3 platforms I recommend you guys choose from when you're actually looking to sell your affiliate product. So you can see we have YouTube, we have a website, and you have paid advertising. Now, again, you can choose all 3, but if you're a beginner starting out with zero money, obviously your best bet would be to go with YouTube because you don't have to pay any money to actually get started doing this. And you'll have a better chance of selling your product on YouTube because, with video marketing and all, that's the optimal way to go if you're looking to actually market your products the best way. And it's also the second largest search engine in the world. So, and the best part about it, it's totally free to sign up. Now, once you make that YouTube, you're going to want to have a marketing strategy behind. For example, are you going to mostly center your content around entertainment? There's a lot of questions you need to ask before actually starting your business That way you lay that foundation and build the right audience. If your videos aren't really, congruent to one another, such as if your channel is for product reviews and then you go to vlogs or something else like that, then that's not really, you're one, going to be attracting the wrong audience, and two, you're going to be less likely to get your previous audience to actually convert in the next video. Make sure you guys have a specific marketing strategy and make sure your content is focused in that category, right? So it should mostly be, reviews and educational videos as well. But you want to make sure you're also posting consistently. You don't want to post, once a week. You'll want to actually, post at a high frequency. That way you're going to actually build momentum and build your following is on top of that, because what YouTube likes is actually videos that are constantly uploading, constantly providing value to the marketplace. And as long as your audience is actually watching your videos and keeping up with you, then you're going to be able to actually build a substantial following quicker than you think. But I recommend you guys post at least 3 to 4 times a week when you're first starting out, because find your videos in the search results, and YouTube is not going to favor your channel over the next guy up that is actually posting consistently and really providing value in the marketplace. So you guys need to keep in mind. So obviously this is YouTube right here, and let's say you wanted to promote a Bitcoin software. So we could just type in Bitcoin, or we can type in Bitcoin software. Okay. And you're going to see there's a pretty decent search result for this product right here. So the search volume is at 9. And you're going to see with these videos, most of these people are going to be promoting softwares. All right. And again, since it's a very hot topic, you're going to see that, these videos right here, these channels don't really have that big of a following. And you're going to see how many views they actually get on their channels. Right. So you can see is already at 375,000 views for that video. One tool you can use is the Google Keyword Planner. Okay. Let me just sign in really quick, and for example, you can just type in Bitcoin. Okay. You can also add more search results like make money with Bitcoin, but I'm going to keep it simple right now, and we'll just hit get started. And you're going to see the best search results on YouTube. So you can levels, the average monthly searches, and so you can use the tags that are having the most searches on your YouTube videos, and you can use that in your video tags. You can use that in your descriptions and your titles. Now you can also use this vidIQ software, and this can actually help you guys use the keywords that your competitors are using in the field that you're in. And we can use this for our example. Let me just pause this guy really quick. Okay. We can scroll down. And so, you can use the tags that he's using on his videos. So here in this video, so you don't have to, if you weren't promoting that software, you don't have to use that. But again, you can use your competition's keywords that they're ranking for and put them in your description in your videos, and that's going to help you rank a lot faster, especially if you're a brand new YouTube channel. And so that's the optimal way to go. And this was the Google Keyword Planner. I recommend everyone to actually use this tool if you're an affiliate marketer. And so yeah, guys, that's the quickest and simplest way to put it if you're looking to start affiliate marketing in 2018. Again, YouTube is such a powerful tool to use to your advantage if you're looking to actually sell stuff online, especially if it's the stuff people are looking for. So, with this ClickBank affiliate offer, you can actually type it in right here, Crypto Sniper, right? And you're going to see, the keyword score for this affiliate offer has a lot of search volume because, people are searching for reviews for this product, right? And they want to see, a customer's point of view that bought it, whether negative or positive, and that's going to affect somebody's buying decision, because if you're putting in, review videos on your search results, then chances are you're actually interested in that product or interested in buying it. So, you're going to see, even with these small channels, and it's a hot product, and Bitcoin itself is something that has a lot of people's attention, and it's a big money maker in the make money online niche. So again, you can make a YouTube review video on your channel. That can be your starter to promote, a ClickBank product, or you can also use, paid advertising, Facebook ads. But YouTube is definitely the best bet if you're trying to start for free. And yeah, guys, that was a quick little step-by-step tutorial I wanted to show you guys for starting affiliate marketing in 2018. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.
Stumbling through the sky.